All right, we are going to use the Alpaca Markets API to create a good till canceled buy stop limit order. So we're going to do it for Oracle, which is ORCL, trading at 175.36 currently. Let's go ahead and head over to the documentation here, the API reference. Alpaca sets up the request for you. You just have to fill in the parameters. So if you don't already have your key and secret key in here, you can come back to the dashboard and you can click to regenerate these keys and copy those and put them in here. And we'll do that once more with the secret key. Put that in here, and you can see it changes up your request. So now what I want to do is for Oracle, ORCL, we'll do 10 shares of Oracle. This is going to, like I said, it's a buy, and we're going to do a stop limit order. So essentially the way this works is once you hit your stop price, then a limit order is placed. We are going to do a good till canceled. So this is going to stay open until it is able to execute. So beyond just today, if you left it at day, and it didn't execute in the current trading day, then it would cancel at the end of the day. Whereas good till canceled, it'll stay open for as long as you leave it there until it is able to execute. So our stop price, what did I say? Oracle's trading at 175.21. Let's say if this went up to 176, that'll be our stop price. That's when we want to place then the limit, and the highest we would want to buy it at is 176.25. So that'll be our limit for that. We won't want it to execute if it goes beyond that, if for whatever reason there's a lot of volatility. So that should be pretty good. We can go ahead and copy this request, head over to a Jupyter notebook. I always like to import JSON and change this print to json.loads. Makes it the response message easier to read. We'll click Shift Enter to run that, and then you can see Oracle, 10 shares. This is a stop limit, buy to open, good till canceled. Our stop price is 176, and that limit price, once that stop initiates, the limit is 176.25. If we come over to our dashboard, we can see that order has been placed, and it will execute once it hits 176, and then the limit, as long as the price at that, once that stop is hit, is not above 176.25, then it will place the order for those 10 shares.